Bakit daw hindi pa ako nag-aasawa? Di ko na mabilang kung ilang beses na ako natanong yan. Pero alam nyo dinig dun sa boses ng taong nagtatanong yung takot nung lumagpas na ako ng 40.
Lock ng pinto kagabi. Buti hindi ka pinasok ng magnanakaw.
Magkondo ka na lang kaya. Ayaw ko namang iwan tong bahay.
Ibenta mo lahat ng gamit dito tapos ipang-renovate mo.
Sino naman bibili ng mga gamit na to? Hi.
Hi, did I wake you?
Welcome to OphirPh, watch Philippine movie review, news and update. New movie this coming week, Belle Douleur tells the story of a woman's journey of finding happiness as she breaks free from the confines that society puts on women. The news about the much-anticipated Cinemalaya Film Festival this year started rolling as some of the official entries are now finally releasing its own materials for promotion. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Visit www.ophirph.com for more movie review. Elizabeth is a self-made woman in her late 40s. After her mother passes from an illness, she meets John, who is 20 years younger, who convinces her that love knows no age. They embark on a hopeful affair but will be eventually hindered by the reality that Elizabeth cannot be only part of John's dreams. The film's cast is composed of Milene Dizon, Kit Thompson, Marlon Rivera, Jenny Jamera, Sherry Lara, and Hannah Ledesma. The drama film is directed by Joji Villanueva Alonso. Catch the 2019 edition of the Cinemalaya from August the 2nd to the 13th, 2019. Available in the Cultural Center of the Philippines, CCP, from August 2nd to 11, 2019, and in these cinemas from August 7th to 13, 2019, Greenbelt 1, Glorietta, Trinoma, Uptown Center, Market, Ivia Lifestyle Center, Las Piñas City, Ayala Malls Legazpi, Bicol, Ayala Malls Abriza, Davao, Capital Central, Bacolod, Vista Cinemas Pampanga, Vista Cinemas Naga, Vista Cinemas Iloilo. Here is the movie trailer.
Bakit daw hindi pa ako nag-aasawa? Di ko na mabilang kung ilang beses na ako natanong yan. Pero alam nyo dinig dun sa boses ng taong nagtatanong yung takot nung lumagpas na ako ng 40.
Hindi ka nag-lock ng pinto kagabi. Buti hindi ka pinasok ng magnanakaw.
Magkondo ka na lang kaya. Ayaw ko namang iwan tong bahay.
Ibenta mo lahat ng gamit dito tapos ipang-renovate mo.
Sino naman bibili ng mga gamit na to? Hi.
Hi, did I wake you?
Hindi ba masyado kang bata yata para maging interesado sa antiques?
Thanks, it's a family thing.
Kulit nitong si Bagets.
Sinong bagets?
Yung bumili ng antiques.
Do something stupid, reckless, and irresponsible.
Teka, babalik ako.
Josh!
Oh, bakit? Wala kang trabaho this weekend, di ba?
Wala namang pasok
Good. Akin ka na.
Ang ganda nun.
That's not how this works. You find something special, fall in love with it, and prepare to let it go.
Hindi ka nanghihinayang.
Letting go of things? No.
What can you say about the movie trailer? Comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more movie review visit www.OphirPh.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell.